This woman was never supposed to be at court, but an emperor changed the Roman law so he could marry her. Theodora was the daughter of the bearkeeper at the Hippodrome in Constantinople. After her father passed away, she became an actress and later a courtesan. Justinian, the future Byzantine emperor, met Theodora and fell deeply in love with her. However, Roman law forbade high-ranking men from marrying actresses, even if they had abandoned the profession. Justinian later asked his uncle, Emperor Justin I, to change the law to allow former actresses to marry outside their social class with imperial approval, and he did. Soon after, Justinian and Theodora got married, and when Justinian became emperor in 527 AD, Theodora became the empress. Theodora wasn't just a wife, she ruled with Justinian and became his most trusted advisor, often involved in politics and decision-making. Also, she passed laws on her own, especially the ones that protected women, children, and the poor. Together, they became one of the most powerful couple in history and changed the Byzantine Empire forever.